How to put BIOS password in a screensaver in your computer. The BIOS and UEFI provide some critical setting that can be changed to make changes on a computer which might be harmful. Or, it is a good idea to set a password for BIOS or UEFI to keep your system safe. In this video, we will show you how to put some password in UEFI BIOS utility. The first step that we need to do if we like to put an admin password is go to the BIOS setting by clicking F2 button, or depends on your laptop model, continuously while your screen is loading. You are now in the UEFI BIOS utility. Here, look for the advanced mode and then click it. Next, go to the security and click the administrator password. You can now create a password. Confirm it by retyping your password. If you are satisfied with your password, click OK. Password is now successfully installed. By clicking F10, you are now saving and exit the changes we have done. Click OK and your computer will now start restarting. To check, try to enter to your BIOS again by repeating the first step. Here, we can see that it requires a password now before you can access the BIOS. Another password that we can put in our BIOS is the user password. User password requires you to enter first a password before your computer boot up. Then, in the home screen, in the access part, you can see user password, click it. You can now create a password. Confirm it by retyping your password. Password is now successfully installed. Now, every time you open your computer or every time you boot up it, your computer will ask a password. Next, we are going to add a screensaver in our computer. First thing that we need to do is go to the setting. Click on Personalization. Then Lock Screen. Scroll down and look for Screensaver setting, then click it. So in this part, you can choose what type of screensaver you want to use by dropping down the menu. You can also check the On Resume display the Log On Screen option to lock your device automatically when the screensaver turns on. You can also set the number of minutes of inactivity before the screensaver turns on in the Wait option. Then after that, you can now click the Apply button, then OK.
A few moments later.
After some minutes, you can now see the screensaver you put in your computer.